now create property fields for any of your records from within workflows without, say I want to do something with a certain property field, it's not created yet. You used to have to back out of the workflow, go to your settings, properties, and create it there, then go back into the workflow. Now you can just do it from right here. I can just create a property field from within the workflow. Once I have it added and created, I can pull that in now, and I don't have to leave my workflow anymore.